My name's Tim, and I'm an automotive technician for Team One Automotive. Team One is a little bit different from other jobs that I've had because it's a family-oriented. We take care of each other hand in hand. We're brothers here. We're here for 11 hours a day. We take care of each other. Better experience for the customer, better experience for us. Makes for a lot better day, you know? So somebody that would enjoy working here at Team One with us, somebody ambitious, outgoing, funny, that's always a good helpful. But yeah, anybody that's just willing to work hard and take care of the customer. Number one is take care of the customer and take care of your brothers next to you. Somebody that wouldn't like working here, somebody with thin skin, somebody that's not willing to work hard or, you know, push themselves to the next level. It's a fun environment, but it's also a tough job as far as stress. You know, it does get stressful in here. So my favorite thing working at Team One is the camaraderie. We love working with each other. Everybody's so cool. We like to have a good time, but we also like to work really hard. And the environment here is it's top notch compared to like a dealership or anything else. So if you're thinking about applying to Team One, I would say we have top notch equipment, top notch guys. They offer us the best of the best as far as training, as far as scan tools and everything else, top notch. We have everything we need. Hardly ever have to send anything out, so we do most of the stuff in the house.